Hello and welcome back. Today I will be showing you how to use thinning shears to remove the bulk from the body of your hair. If you haven't already, make sure to check out the other videos that I have done on thinning or texturizing shears. So to start, we are going to be sectioning the hair. Sectioning is really important to make sure that you know where you have already thinned and what needs to be thinned so that you don't over thin your hair. So I like to start with the top section of hair. I make a U section at the top and clip it up out of the way. It should look something like this. Next, I will take another section just above the ears and make another small section just below the top one. It should look like this. This is only one way that you can section hair. There are no right or wrong ways. Just make sure that you go in with a plan and that you know how to keep track of what you have thinned and haven't thinned. My advice is always to go slow. Make sure you start with a plan and make sure that you know where you've thinned so you don't over thin your hair. Next, we're going to start with the thinning section. So start with the bottom section of the hair and cut that section in half. So you'll be leaving the section around the bottom hairline down. Take the first section that you'll be thinning and make sure to cut at an angle and in the midsection of hair. Always leave at least 3 inches away from the scalp. As you're cutting your hair, it is going to be up to your preference of how much or little you want to take out. And you will feel and know the sections that are just a little bit bulkier and might need a bit more attention. So once that first section feels good, you can take more sections down and continue with the same process. Something to keep in mind, the hair around your face is naturally thinner than the hair at the back of your head. So if you feel like the hair at your face is thinner, you can always leave that out. Once you've worked through the bulk of the hair, you will start thinning the top section. If you want more volume at your crown section, you can go up a little closer to the scalp to take out bulk. I don't recommend going right up to the scalp. If you cut too close, you will get little hairs that poke up through the top layer of hair. So always stay at least 2 to 3 inches away from the scalp. Once you've worked through all the hair, you can go back through and see if there are any sections that need a little more thinning. And that's it. That's how you use thinning shears to thin your hair. I hope this was helpful. Happy cutting, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe.